Hi, library friends. Today we are talking about text features and the difference between nonfiction and fiction books. So I do have here both a fiction and a nonfiction book to show. Front covers. Okay. On the spine of a fiction book, it's going to say FIC for fiction, and then it's going to have the three first letters of the author's last name listed right there on the spine label. On a nonfiction book, you're going to see the Dewey Decimal Number and then the first three letters of the author's last name there. So this is 611 JOH. Okay. And 611 falls under Dewey Decimal 600 through 699 technology and science, okay? So it's front and the spines of those. Now inside the book, for the fiction, it's really not much to it. This is a, easy reading fiction. So you're going to have normal paragraphs and then sometimes illustrations and pictures throughout the book, especially in the younger, easier to read books. You will find some pictures, but it just reads like a regular book. Nonfiction is where you find some differences when you're reading the book. The fiction has a beginning, middle, and end to the story, and we read it from front cover to back cover, one page at a time. Nonfiction, we do find pictures and words, but things look a little bit different. Pictures have captions. Sometimes you'll find a table of contents. So this way you can flip right to the information that you're looking for. Most times you're looking at a nonfiction book to gain information about something. So if we want to learn about your stomach, we're going to jump right to chapter 3, page 21. So that's a difference when you're reading a nonfiction book. Sometimes you do skip ahead and find the information that you want. But you see a lot of photographs, not so much illustrations. You can find illustrations, but a lot more you'll find photographs, pictures, maps, charts, graphs. Okay, so here's a chart with labels, a diagram. You'll find bold words and a lot of vocabulary that you want to pay attention to in nonfiction. So we can see they're trying to teach us about the different parts of the digestive system or the mouth. So all these diagrams are in nonfiction books, but we can see like real photographs, labeling. A lot of times with your big vocabulary words they're trying to teach you, they're going to give you the pronunciation of those words so that you learn how to say them. Okay, so fiction, nonfiction. Okay, and the other thing I just wanted to mention about text features would be this hangs in the library here, but to remember to find a just right book with your 5-finger rule. You choose a book and read the first page or two. You put 1 finger up for every word you don't know. If 5 of your fingers go up while reading, choose another book. If only 2 or 3 fingers go up, you found a just right book. Happy reading.